Come with me to see what kind of toys you would like to get your children for Christmas. Welcome back, Savvy Explorer, and today we're going to take a look at all the toys that they have here in Walmart. And I'm going to tell you which age groups that they'd be more appropriate for. So come along with me as we see all the toys and the games that they have for the children here at Walmart. And I know that Christmas is coming up, and I know some of you may want to get an idea of what your child may want for Christmas. So if you're looking for that, be sure to click this video and watch and enjoy. So first we're gonna start with the exciting section. You see the Barbie dolls. I remember when I was a little girl, I loved this section. But now they have so many varieties. Like they have the little ones. Chelsea can be, so it looks like Chelsea can be in a car, or Chelsea can fly an airplane. Chelsea can have a camper. Chelsea can ride a horse.
Follow all safety protocols. And of course, always follow the store's rules and guidelines. Remember, our safety sprint is happening all throughout October.
And now they have clothes if you want to, change the Barbie's clothes, change your doll's clothes. And then today they have so many other varieties of Barbies. But today I know I really want to look for a Barbie house. See Barbie World. Here. Let's see if we can find a Barbie dream house. I love that. Barbie says you can be anything. So right here you have Dr. Barbie, looks like. Let me see. Here we have a Barbie Dream Camper. It's going for $89. A Barbie Dream Boat for $69. And a Barbie Lemonade Truck. These are all so adorable. They're for $49.97. And right here we have a Barbie dream house. This is every girl's dream. Let me tell you, if you have a little girl and she's, let me see what age this goes up to, age 3 and up, because I think they have very little pieces in here. This is every girl's dream, is to have a Barbie doll dream house. A little girl. Now we're gonna move over to Monster High. So once again, if you have a doll lover, I know Monster High have the head doll down here, and she's going for $32.84. And the car and the food truck, super cute, $59. The music got pretty loud in here, so I'm just gonna do a voiceover to explain some of the things I saw on my trip to Walmart. So here in this section, you see we have all our Bratz dolls, our LOL dolls, Monster High, and these Yummy Land dolls. They were so adorable. Looks like a little kawaii type of thing. They're very cute. The blue one's so adorable. I had tried this toy to see what it does, but I think it moves or something. But I think the battery was out. This Miraculous Heroes playset kind of caught my attention because, as you see, it has like an elevator and zip lines and shops. It's pretty cool, and it's going for around $150. We have a section cut out for all the girly girls. You have this deluxe Disney princess style day spa. It's going for $60. You have all your castles, and next we have every Disney princess your little princess can think of. And the dolls are going for around $11, which isn't that bad for Disney princesses. He's super cute. This next aisle, I would call it the Disney Junior aisle because you have your talking Minnies, Mickeys, and Cookie Monster. You'll see, they're super cute. That's cute. That's cute. Over into this next aisle, we basically have the My Life dolls, which you can dress them up. You can get scooters for them, showers, see the washing machine, the tables. I think this aisle is super duper adorable. I think we all can say when we were little girls that we all wanted a doll that was like this customizable. know about you all, but seeing these baby alive dolls and how they've evolved, it's kind of giving me a little bit of nostalgia. If you see any toys in this video that gave you that same feeling, be sure to leave it down in the comments below because I want to know. I love this next section because it allows your kids to like come away from the screen time and actually get creative. You see they have a cake mixer, they have kitchen props, you see your easels and stuff that children can just do. The cash register. I know I keep saying every aisle is adorable and cute, but this is by far the cutest aisle because they have the learning tools for babies and toddlers, and all of this stuff is at a pretty reasonable price. Right on to the best section, the big kick section, which has the Legos. And these Legos have become so unique. You can build anything from cars to the Disney castle. I even saw the Eiffel Tower. Like, what? Hello guys, that just wraps up my video. I hope you guys enjoyed all the toys and I hope you guys are excited for this Christmas season coming up. Please make sure if you like videos like this to hit the subscribe button because I plan to do more. And as I always say, I'm out. Peace.